The best decision I ever made was to get involved in network marketing. I will never quit, and neither should you. But in my experience, most people lose their way. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you the two biggest reasons why I love network marketing and why I stuck with it to being able to live life abundantly. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Pete Rea, and I've been a professional network marketer for nearly 25 years, and I've built two multi-million-dollar businesses in that time. We've completely changed our lives, and I love helping other people to be able to do the same. So the first reason is time leverage. It's all about working smart and not hard. Have you ever heard that expression that time is money? It's not. Time is infinitely more valuable than money. You can always get more money, but you can't get more time. The biggest regret in life is not from having wished you'd spent more time at work. It's actually from wishing you'd spent more quality time with your loved ones, enjoyed more exciting adventures, lived more authentically, did more of what lights you up, brings you joy and purpose. What I'm about to share with you is how we can leverage time to be able to speed up the success. The real magic of network marketing is because of the way the business model works. You see, we get to leverage that all-important resource known as time. We get to leverage time by growing a team of like-minded people. And through the collective effort, your business starts to grow exponentially. So it's starting to grow by itself. It's no longer solely dependent on growth as a result of your own personal effort. So this is how you're really starting to work smart. Think about this as a concept. Would you rather have 100% of your own effort or just 1% of 100 people's efforts? You see, one is working hard and arguably unsustainable, and the other is working smart and very scalable. Let me give you an example. Let's say you've got very limited time for you to be able to change your life. You've already got a very busy, active life. You've also got a job, or you've got another business, and you can only put in 2 hours per day for you to be able to work towards changing your circumstances. So over a month, that's 56 hours. That is very limited time for you to be able to put into anything. But here's the thing. Imagine now if you had 100 people all doing exactly the same, all just putting in those 56 hours per month. You've now got over 5,600 hours going into your business because of the way that network marketing works. So there's a huge difference in the amount of work that's actually getting done between 56 hours or 5,600. Can you see what we've just done here? You've leveraged time. There are only 720 total hours in a 30-day month. And your business has just benefited from 5,600 work hours being inputted. It's just incredible. It's mind-boggling. The second reason is residual income. It is the most exciting and best type of income you can ever get to earn. Now, most people are more familiar with what we call a linear income, which is really where we're swapping time for money. So you go to work, you get paid. You don't go to work, you don't get paid. A residual income is an income that is independent of your own daily efforts. So as mentioned earlier, about the opportunity to grow and develop a team, you're earning a residual income on that overall volume. And some people earn more money in a week than most people earn in a month. I mean, just let that sink in for a moment. I mean, how would that change your life? And some people earn more in a month than some people earn in a year. So this is hugely exciting. And it all starts as a side hustle. Remember, when you're going to work for your boss, then you're going to work on being able to pay your bills. When you go to work for yourself, then you're working on being able to change your life. Be prepared to work harder for yourself than you are prepared to work for someone else. It really is about starting small, but understanding the power of the time leverage that creates the exponential growth. So never, never underestimate the power of starting small. And of course, the goal for many is to get to the point where they now are earning more money in their spare time than they're earning working full time in their job. Imagine the excitement of being able to exit the rat race, to be able to sack your boss. So you now have ultimate time freedom. You can invest some of that time into continuing to grow your business. You've got more time to be able to spend with the people that are important, to live more authentically, to have more adventures. And this is exactly what I have done. And every day I take joy in helping other people to be able to do the same. My business now turns over millions every year. I have a team in over 50 different countries around the world. It really is incredible to see what can be achieved by taking that first step into network marketing and understanding the power of what you hold in the palm of your hands. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of the uploads. And please comment below and let me know if there's something you'd like me to cover on a future episode, or give me a little bit of feedback on what you enjoyed best about this video. So thanks again for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.